I'm Chef Sid with Sushi Catering. Today we're at the kitchen of Cork and Platter, and I'm going to show you how to moisten nori for rolling sushi. First we start with our nori. Nori is made from laver seaweed. It's made the same way they do paper. They chop it up into a pulp, they lay it out on screens, let it dry, and then they cut it. Then what you do is you take your nori and you would toast it over an open flame. Now most of the packaged nori that you get has already been toasted. But all you have to do is just wave it over for just a minute and it gets nice and crisp. Then what we will do to moisten it is use our sushi rice. Just take a little bit of rice, put it onto the nori, spread it down to the bottom, and start working your way up. You want to leave just about a quarter inch at the very top of the nori exposed. Then we'll take a couple of cucumbers, take our daikon radish sprouts, a few of those there. I like to have them hanging out. It makes a nice little end cut. Take a couple of pieces of shrimp, put those here. Do a little avocado. Lay that out. Some spicy tuna on top. Then you start at the bottom, bring your nori over the ingredients all the way back down to the rice, and slowly roll it all the way to the end, keeping it nice and tight. Then we will take our maki-su, which I've wrapped in plastic to keep from getting rice inside, and help shape it. Want to tuck in both ends. Take it and roll it just a little bit. Start with your sushi knife, dip it in the water, get the blade a little moist. Make your first cut. We're going to cut this into 6 pieces. And there you have how to moisten your nori when making sushi.